Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that can literally change your financial future, investing in stocks. Now, I know what you're thinking. Stocks? Isn't that risky? Don't I need a lot of money to start? Well, stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see that investing in stocks is not only accessible, but also one of the smartest moves you can make for your money. Let me start with a quick story. When I was in my early 20s, I had no idea what the stock market was. I thought it was something only rich people or Wall Street types did. But then I started learning, and I realized that anyone, yes, even you, can start investing with just a little bit of knowledge and a small amount of money. And the best part? You can do it all from your phone while sitting on your couch. So, if you've ever dreamed of making your money work for you, this video is for you. We're going to cover everything you need to know to get started, from what stocks actually are to how to pick your first investment. And don't worry, I'll keep it simple and fun. No finance degree required. What are stocks? All right, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a stock? Imagine you have a favorite company. Let's say it's a popular coffee chain. When you buy a stock in that company, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of it. That means you become a part owner, even if it's just a small fraction. Now, why would you want to own a piece of a company? Well, if the company grows and makes more money, the value of your piece, your stock, can go up. So, if you buy a stock for $10 and it goes up to $15, you've made $5 just by holding on to it. Of course, it can also go down, but we'll talk about how to manage that risk later. The stock market is where all these stocks are bought and sold. It's like a big online marketplace where people trade pieces of companies every day. And thanks to technology, you don't need to be a Wall Street insider to participate. You can do it all from an app on your phone. Steps to start investing. All right, so how do you actually start investing in stocks? Let's break it down into 6 simple steps. Step 1. Educate yourself. You're already doing that by watching this video, so great job. But don't stop here. Read books, follow financial news, and maybe even take an online course. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Step 2. Set your financial goals. Why are you investing? Is it for retirement, to buy a house, or just to grow your wealth? Knowing your goals will help you decide how much to invest and what kinds of stocks to choose. Step 3. Choose a brokerage account. This is like your gateway to the stock market. There are tons of options out there, from apps like Robinhood to more traditional brokers like Fidelity. Look for one with low fees and a user-friendly interface. Step 4. Research and select stocks. This is where it gets fun. You can invest in companies you believe in or ones that have strong financials. A good starting point is to look at index funds, which are like baskets of stocks that track the overall market. Step 5. Start with a small investment. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. Many apps let you start with as little as $5. The key is to start somewhere and learn as you go. Step 6. Monitor and adjust your portfolio. Investing isn't a set-it-and-forget-it thing. Check in on your stocks regularly, but don't obsess over daily fluctuations. Think long-term. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. Take your time and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn. Common mistakes to avoid. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. First, don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Stocks can go up and down, so only invest what you're comfortable with. Second, avoid the temptation to follow hot tips or chase the latest trends. Do your own research and invest in what you understand. Third, don't check your investments too often. It's easy to get caught up in daily price movements, but remember, investing is a long-term game. And finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. Whether it's from a financial advisor or a more experienced friend, getting a second opinion can be invaluable. Conclusion. So, there you have it. A beginner's guide to investing in stocks. I hope this video has demystified the process and shown you that anyone can start investing, no matter how much money or experience you have. If you're feeling inspired, take that first step today. Open a brokerage account, start researching, or just keep learning. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We've got plenty more content on personal finance and investing coming your way. Thanks for watching, and remember, your financial future is in your hands. See you in the next video.